Missing the old days, they still seem better to me. Been having some strange days lately. I can feel it unraveling. It's all making more sense to me. I need to digest this more painlessly. Been thinking of traveling, just to give me something to see. I haven't been lost somewhere lately. Time would mean everything. It always beats too fast for me. I haven't had time to think clearly. And what about the stones in your glass house? And what about if our minds never change?